how to improve your conversion rate on your landing page. If you're doing lead gen, the mistake that I find people make the most is actually just having too many form fields. They'll ask for first name, last name, address, zip, social security number. No, I'm just kidding. But they'll ask for probably 8 to 10 questions. Unless you've had issues with quality of leads in the past, you should probably start small and then grow from there. For every form field that you have on your website, conversions actually decrease by 17%. So if you have 10 form fields, you're going to get a lot less conversions. You're probably going to be in the hundreds of dollars in cost per conversion, unless your ads are super powerful. So decrease how many form fields you have. Also, you can change the text on the buttons to what the person will get. So yes, I want to lose more weight. Yes, I want to go on vacation. That's what the customer is going to get. Don't say submit or get free consultation, anything like that. Make your button sizzle a little bit. Also, one little pro tip you can do is when you have your header, so if it says something like fill out this form to speak to an expert now, if you put something there that says only takes 30 seconds, that has improved conversion rates for me and my clients as well. Got it from some website. So those are a few ways that you can improve the landing page conversion rate for your lead gen.